Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I know we all been waiting for this moment. Uthando Nestembu, the real telenovela. It is coming back to our screen on the 4th of February. On the 4th of February, on a Wednesday at 8 p.m. So you must save the date for Uthando Nestembu Season 9. Yes, Uthando Nestembu Season 9 it is finally coming back to our screens. Yes. We'll be seeing all the drama that we've been seeing so far, the drama of Uthando Nestembu uncut, because it is coming with some flames, with some hot chili, and yes, we will see on this episode if they are telling Usamke when if she wants to leave, she can leave. Or they were talking about Umangwabe, if she wanna leave, she can leave. We're seeing also Umakumari Ukbana, she has had enough. Like she has had enough. Ukbana, her and Umtombeni seems to has reached a dead end, because on a season, uncut season, they asked Uma Kumalo if she still loves Umtombeni. She asked the producer that what is even love? Like, what is love at this moment when you get to a point where you can't even explain what you feel for someone, which means you are left with nothing. You are disappointed, you are devastated, and all is left is nothing. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.